Government is committed to the vision of Jamaica's society being safe, cohesive, and just. The administration is taking a strategic approach to accomplishing that vision, and that includes providing adequate security and rehabilitation for individuals who are custodial clients in the island's correctional institutions.
So when that person is released, he's able to provide for himself and therefore might not have to turn back to crime.
One of the latest rehabilitation initiatives comes in the form of a beaded jewelry and accessories course for inmates at the Fort Augusta Correctional Center for Women. A major plank of the Department of Correctional Services' role in securing the island is through its rehabilitation programs. At Fort Augusta, the 250 females housed there have their pick of baking, clothing and textile, cosmetology, IT, and now accessory making. In August 2014, 30 inmates and a correctional officer received Level 1 training in accessory making from the Heart Trust NTA's LEAP Center after participating in an 8-week course. Financial support came from Stand Up for Jamaica, a non-profit organization formed from members of the Italian group of Amnesty International. During a recent ceremony, inmates were given their heart-certified diplomas and got the chance to sell some of their handiwork. And enthusiastic visitors quickly grabbed up the bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and cell phone cases made by the inmates at Fort Augusta.
These programs are geared to work on the inmates, for them, one, to learn a skill and such alike. Another thing is, in the long term, it will help them or prevent them from getting back in criminal activities.
We're proud of teaching women today to make things for other women because we believe women know women best, and we believe they're committed to a program such as jewelry making, and it's easy to sell.
We're very serious about bringing training in a flexible and responsive way, and for this program in particular, that the inmates will have a greater opportunity and a greater sense of hope on leaving the correctional facilities. They'll be able to have employment and also to create employment for others.
We hope also to develop a little business mentality, and we have a little label which are created, which is called Made in Jail. And under that label, I hope to promote for them the possibility to assist their families, because once they earn, they can send home some money.
One of the inmates who participated in the 8-week course had high praises for the training.
I plan to go out there and start a business, teach my daughter it, see if she'll develop a love for it also, and try and expand and see where it goes from there. I am really very grateful because honestly, when I just came here, I felt hopeless because it didn't make any sense to go to school because I had already accomplished all of that. And the skills that they taught here, I was really interested in it. So, when I started this, I felt really hopeful, and happy.
The pilot batch is now receiving Level 2 training, while a new batch is being taught by the correctional officer who received her training back in August.
Our strategy is that we first seek accreditation for the officers, at least to Level 2 in each of these activities. And then the officers train the inmates. We find this to be more sustainable because the officers are already being paid as correctional officers, and then we don't have to employ many other teachers in the adult institutions who would also need security.
And even as the Department of Corrections continues to carry out its role of rehabilitating inmates and wards of the state, there's a call for a greater partnership to assist in the process. So the next time you see jewelry with the tag Made in Jail, we urge you to buy it and support the rehabilitation of these females.
We're boosting our prevention efforts by saying to persons, don't come to prison, and saying to the persons whose lives we've touched, don't come back.
For information on where to buy the Made in Jail brand of jewelry, contact the Department of Corrections.